Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to record a WhatsApp video call on your phone. So let's start. First, if you're on iPhone, then swipe up and open the Control Center. And tap on the record button on bottom left corner to start screen recording. Now open the WhatsApp app. Now start a video call. And now the video call is being recorded. You can also do it from an Android device. To record a WhatsApp video call on Android device, you have to use a screen recording app. And you can easily use it to record a WhatsApp video call. And that's how you can record a WhatsApp video call on your phone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.